Hello everybody. Tell you guys a lot of my videos. If you got any cars you want to sell, hit me up. I'm interested. Well, here's another one I just bought. A guy has brought it to me from North Carolina. 1968 convertible, 390 disc brakes. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. He said the grill and all that stuff is in the trunk of the car. Let's see if we can go ahead and get this hood popped up here. Yes. Oh yeah, full barrel car. Factory full barrel intake with a Holly on it. Power steering. Looks like the car is basically all complete. Let me step up here on the trailer. Radiator's missing and the distributor cap. He said somebody stole the distributor cap off of it years ago and the points out of it. Fairly solid looking car. A lot of these hoods are all eat up from the bottom and stuff. This one's not. And it was the hideaway headlight style. All of that mechanism is still here. At least everything else for the front is in the trunk. I like the stripe on the bottom of it. It has all the interior in it. It is the XL. Convertible. Floor pans are still in it. I'm sure there's got to be some kind of rust in it because of the year model and it being a convertible, but they're not completely gone. Got a little rust in the quarters, which is just something to be expected for the year model. We have view over here all the way around. Let's take a look up under the bottom. And this frame is not even rusted like most of these cars are. A lot of these cars, the frame's rusted into behind the tires. This one's not. And a pretty straight car. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this one. He's going to back it over across the road. We're going to go all the way out that roadway and we're going to go back there to the barn. And if he can get her backed up there close enough to the barn, we're going to see if we can get it put in the barn. Just kind of keep this car in the dry. So let's go ahead and get that started. It is a pretty good little ways over there. He's going to back. It's probably close to 3/10 of a mile. He's going to back this thing up. Doing a great job so far. I can tell it's not his first time backing a trailer. I have seen some people that can't back a trailer whatsoever. And that'd be something good for you guys to hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you guys can back up a trailer. How many of you guys can? How many of you guys can't? I've been doing it all my life. Just look in the mirrors on both sides and keep it backing up. We'll go ahead and get him on back there. He is doing the most excellent. He's doing a sensational job of backing it. He can back her all the way back there. Like I said, that's probably 3/10 of a mile with curves and stuff in it. That will be sensational. And I believe he's going to do her. He's just moving right along with it. I've got a barn back here that I want to put this car in because the top is in such bad shape to try to keep the car dry. Somebody will be, one of you guys watching may even be interested in this car. Somebody's going to be, and I'd like to keep it in the dry until I find it a new home. He's heading on back through there. I'm not going to film all the way back. So he has backed her right around the one big curve. It's basically on a downhill slope from here. I believe he's going to back her right up there and never even have to pull forward, not one time. We're almost there, folks. He's still going, guys. Never had to pull forward, not one single time. How many of you guys could have done this? Hit me in the comments, let me know. He has come through a real big curve back there, another curve up here, down a couple straightaways, and never had to pull forward, not one single time. And we're almost there. Get this car in the dry here. It's just too good a car to let set out in the weather with the top in the condition it's in. We're almost there. Guys, we've made her back here to the barn. That'd probably be good right there, unless you think you can curve her, you know, like we was talking about, up into the barn. Which we need to put it way up here.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get this uphill.
Yeah, the car actually.
Doors right here.
Yeah, the car actually needs to go in right here.
Doors right here.
There is no telling.
How hard it can you jack it? You all right over there, Jack? Look.
Yeah, he's got plenty of room over there.
Looking good. Jack it hard. Looking good. Cut around a little more. Yep, there you go. Watch this front end on that truck. Go by. Come on. Got me back there. Touch your skin back at the
It just lets you know you're live. Out of curiosity, how old are you? 69.
69. I know they don't leave this long. I put it back here.
That's right.
3 years ago.
I'm 58. I can tell a big difference in the past 10 years between 48 and 58.
Yep. They said you had messed in down here.
Yeah, most of them's across the road on the other side back there.
I got 99 ST. Boy hit me side, third door, bed. And my damn windshield wipers going down one. They worked fine till it rained and they just quit. I know it was a damn wiper motor oil. It doesn't rain no more, but the recall that motor. So I got hit for free.
Got lucky there. They're actually getting some of those little tree branches trimmed off. They get those off. I think he could probably back on up in here just as good as he's been doing so far. We'll find out.
Look good. Come on. Looking good.
He's got her going his way. Stop because a couple more of them little branches right there they're going to trim. I believe he's going to be able to back her right up there where we want it at. Now we got as many as us here. I think we might be able just to push that thing off. Push her right back in there. They said it was an easy roller. We'll find out here, guys. I had to help them get it off the trailer. We manually pushed it, but we are in the barn, going right back to where it needs to be.
Yep, come on back, fellas. Come on back. Come on back.
Cut your wheels around the other way, Grind. There you go. Come on, cut them on around a little. Now straighten them up. Yep. Put a scotch under it right there. It'd be just great.
All right.
There she is, guys, in the barn. That is sensational. That right there is sensational, guys. He backed her right back here, one try all the way. Turned, backed up this embankment right here. Unloaded it right in the barn, right to where I wanted it put at. Couldn't get no better than that. If you guys like this kind of content, please go to my channel. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Ring that notification bell. Hope everybody's having a sensational day.